Hi there, it's Tim with Far North Magic. We are going to be trying another Modern Horizons 2 draft pack, gunning for, I don't know, fetches, monkeys, elementals, I don't know. Tons of stuff is still worth money in this set. It seems crazy to me that it is still doing so well, so with extra printings and stuff. We got Deepwood Denizen, Tavern Scoundrel, Hard Evidence, Sinister Starfish. We got Late to Dinner in the sketch, Faithless Salvaging also in the sketch. We got Jade Avenger, Aeromoeba. We got the Chatterstorm. First uncommon is a retro framed Underworld cookbook. Got Captain Ripley Vance, Underworld Hermit. Got rare, it is Chainer Nightmare Adept in the reprint slot. And a rare again, it is Search the Premises. With a Draykeeper as the foil. Conveniently with a squirrel token. So definitely far away from the big hits, but still fun to do a small rip. So thanks again for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.